part B in this case is asking us to integrate the original equation. And if I want to integrate the original one, I can't because I don't know a method for doing it. But what I can do is I can integrate at this point instead. So I'm going to integrate 2 over 2x minus 1, and then I'm going to also integrate 1 over 2x minus 1 all squared, and I'm going to integrate 1 over x plus 2. So I'm going to integrate the three parts of the fraction separately instead of doing it as one big question. You need to remember from C3 that if I integrate something over a bracket, that is your log rules, because 1 over x integrates the log of x. So this is going to integrate to 2 lots of the log of 2x minus 1. You've also got to remember you've got to divide this by 2 because that's the differential of the bracket. So those 2's will cancel eventually, we'll come on to that. The middle one I'm going to leave for the time being. The last one is another version of the log one, so that'll just be log of x plus 2. There is nothing to divide by because the differential of that is 1. And don't forget you need a constant on the end because this has got no limits. The middle one requires a little bit more thought because we can't use log because there's a power on the bottom. So the way we're going to do this one is we're going to bring everything from the bottom to the top and make it a minus 2 for the power, and then we'll integrate it from there. So this one we'll do separately over here, and then we'll put it back in. So we're going to think of this as being 2x minus 1 to the power of minus 2. And then if I integrate that, integrate means add a power and divide by the new. So I'm going to add 1 onto this power. So that's going to become 2x minus 1 to the power of minus 1. And then I'm going to divide by that new power of minus 1. But I've also got to divide by this 2 because that's the differential of this bracket. And then obviously this is going to be minus 2 on the bottom, and we've got a minus already there. So that's going to end up as plus that bracket there divided by 2. So it's going to become plus 2x minus 1 to the power of minus 1 divided by 2. Or you could put that bracket on the bottom of there and have 1 over it, but you'll get the same answer. You'll have that final answer as your integration. And then that is the partial fraction integrated.